Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you want to go ahead and go to your search bar right here and type down %temp%. Okay, again, %temp%. Click on this file folder. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all. Now go ahead and right-click on one, and then hit on delete. Okay, do this for all current content or items. Continue right here. Wait for the process to finish, and not everything right here will be deleted, so just don't worry about it. Just hit on skip. There you go. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and close out of this window. And go ahead and go to your search bar once more. Type down CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Okay. Now this one will pop up. So what you'll do is just got to type down reg or register SVR, okay, 32 space JScript, or short for JavaScript .dll. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on enter. Now it says here DLL register server in JavaScript.dll succeeded. Hit on continue or OK. Close this one. Now go to restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.